This is roti ali.
It's a one day. What was that?
MalayPanTV. Hello everyone, this is Arisa from MalayPanTV. So today I'm gonna try cooking my first Roti Canai. ロティがパンっていう意味なんですけど、こうお兄さんが生地をビヨンビヨンビヨンビヨンペッペッペッってやってうわーって作るやつっていうのは知っていて、すごい美味しいので大好きなんですけど、あれを家で作れるのかは私も正直わからないのですが、今日は頑張って作ってみようと思います。This video is sponsored by Sunstar Ora2, the most popular whitening toothpaste brand in Japan. But more about this later on. はい。
So today we're making
Roti Canai.
Roti Canai か。
はい。
You know how to make it?
知らない。でもまあ確実にフロアは使ってるから、この Malaysian typical flour のこのなんていうの、天粉ガンダム。天粉ガンダムのチャプサウでいいんかなこれね。
So basically you just need all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, butter, egg,
Is it
milk.
salted butter or no salt butter?
They use ghee, so I mean it's fine. Any butter is fine.
20、30、40どのぐらいなのかな。だいぶ酸化してる。超重いね。じゃあこれで1人分の量の半分をやってます今日は。ここであと mix salt and sugar and ghee がないんだよね。
We're using the butter.
3分の4のハーフって何？最悪、怖いよ。てか普通こういうのさ、エイプロン巻くよね。
You want some apron?
いや、なんかあった方がいいんじゃないの？どう思う？
Apron this.
ザス。
So I tie taekwondo belt.
知らないよ、テコンドーの how it works。
I want an apron too. That's mine.
ジョシュア君です。ジョシュア君です。これ危ないからちょっと移動するね。
I think this is good.
本当？したら
Transfer
スモーボールか。
No, we gotta cut into
8
different.
equal pieces。
So we gotta
ってこ
cut.
とは4か、これだと。
We gotta make it like into 4.
ですよ。
Yeah, you roll it into balls.
preparation じゃん。
そっか。
そうじゃなくて、こうやって。
It needs to be elastic instead.
でもこうやってやるとレフスティックになるよ。ほら。
Now we have to rest the dough だ。
そうだね。知らなかったね。これ6 hours も待つの。It's similar to the flight time from Tokyo to Malaysia じゃない？
Should we open a bakery store one day? MalayPan. みんなが thinking we are a Malay pan shop.
ね。そういうマレーパンというパン屋さん作るか。 可愛いですね。なんか我が子って感じ。はい、これから彼らにはちょっと眠ってもらいます。From Tokyo to Malaysia くらいの時間を眠ってもらいます。アウトデアでいいのかな？
うん。Living in out here too. はい。
Meanwhile.
はい、だ。
Alright. So right now we're actually waiting for the dough to be proof.
うん。
So while we wait, Arisa have something to ask.
じゃあ皆さん、カレー好きですか？ケトル好きですか？どっち好きなの嫌いなの？I know all you Malaysians who love to eat a lot of curry, tetare, tea, coffee, whatever can cause a lot of stain on your teeth. I have something to introduce to you.
So please don't skip the video just yet because later on we have something very funny to show you.
So back in Japan, there was a brand called Sunstar Ora2, which is very, very well known for removing the stains. I was lucky to be sent a box of this. So I'd like to introduce to you guys how nice this product is. So the first one is this toothpaste. What's so good about this toothpaste is this one can remove stain very effectively, and also this one prevents stains from forming. This is because of the ingredients it has. This one got 2 different sizes of silica that can remove the stains very effectively compared to normal toothpaste. And the stain control agent can help dissolve stains from the teeth which you cannot reach by the toothbrush. The second one is this mouthwash. Not only removing odor out of your mouth, this one can remove the source of the odor. At the same time, this one can remove and cleanse the stain out of your teeth, just like the toothpaste. And for those who don't like the burning sensation, the good news is this one doesn't contain the alcohol, so you won't feel it, but still leaves the cooling effect. わあ、全然辛くない。けどすっごいスッキリする。So the last one is the toothbrush. Over here I got soft and medium. The good thing about these toothbrush is 2 layers of bristle. The outer layer is soft and the inside is firm. So this one can hold the toothpaste firmly and clean the tooth surfaces more effectively. So I highly recommend these products. If you're interested, you can find it online or your nearest Watson's, Aeon Wellness, and Don Don Donkey. So back to the video.
Wonder how it is. Oh, Anka feels spongy.
Spongy?
Ready?
Open.
すごいね。なんかちょっと different than what I usually see in the mama store.
本当に合ってんのこれ、
ね。
メロンパンにこうやって線入れる前の状態って感じ。メロンパン。
どうしよう。
なんか、
まあ maybe you have to put a little oil かな。Okay, let's go eat.
わー。じゃん。
Can you guys see it? It's pretty nice and smooth, right?
なんかスムーズだね。
ね。
Coat each bowl with 1 teaspoon of ghee.
So we actually have to cook this just now before we leave it out か。
So that's why
多分
the
that's why it's so
surface is very,
dry.
very
やば。まあ、now we're gonna put a lot of oil, I guess.
Alright.
We're gonna get dirty. うわ、butter. うわー。So in the mama, they like to put it in a bowl.
なんかさ、こうやってバルつけてやっとちょっとなんかやっとこうロティチャナイちょっと銅感が出てきたよね。やっと finally.
Okay, I think we are ready
はい
to try.
はい。ロティチャナイ職人のお兄さんにロティチャナイアバンギになりきる。
Do you know how to do it? Remember the one day?
あんまり覚えてないな。
マジ？
Joshua has to do like show me first だね。
Yeah, we're gonna use a lot of oil. So I got some oil here. We're gonna oil the table. Okay, this is my first time as well. So I always see them like dip their hand in the oil. They take this and they kind of flatten this.
おお、破れた。もう一回やり直しか。
Next. So I'm kind of spreading it out. It looks a bit different than what I always see.
もっとミョンミョンだもん。
So the one in the mamak is very white and you can stretch really big. いいね。Ali, yours looks good.
で
Non-dominant hand on top. Flick. 違うよ。What was that? 違う。This way. ピャ。なよそれ。
何やってこれで見て。でも頬開いちゃった。
Dominant hand, non-dominant hand. で、
こうか。
You still go back to the same place.
あ、そういうことか。
そう。
オッケー、分かった。やろうぜ。ほら、ボリボリって。
やばいよ。
デュラビリティが全然ない。Okay, so it seems like this one's fail one. So we're gonna make a second attempt and let's see whether it's gonna be good or fail.
I think we gotta make the dough again, じゃない？
こんな感じです。はい。
Hopefully, this time works. Very softly.
What?
Oil it.
Oil.
Oil it. This way. And you flip it this way.
いいんじゃない？お、だいぶあれ振りかぶったけど。
結構thinね。で、fold it in the middle. So both sides fold. Then
はい。これも？こうやって？
そう。Few layers. 違う。Few layers. ちょっ。そう。ちょっ。
伸ばしながらやる。
ちょっ。They just curl it and then leave it aside. So apparently, the final step is to flatten the dough we made earlier. So we're gonna put some oil, and then we're just gonna make it into the Roti Canai shape, and then we're gonna fry it.
手作りロティチャナイ。サユチュバーメイキングロティチャナイです。なんかやるらしいよ。
I haven't smashed this yet. Ready?
うわ、これじゃん。これ重要なんじゃない？
はい。
このできたロティチャナイ、ロティあるよ。カレーをつけて食べようと思います。カレーさん。
カレーさんです。So we actually got some curry instead of making some ね。
ね。ロティジョシュア。ロティジョシュ。This is ロティアリ。
Yeah. Let's try. いただきます。
いただきます。
なんか美味しいね。カレーも。
カレーが美味しいから。
カレーが美味しいね。
美味しいんだけど、なんかママストアのやつのが銅が美味しいよね。
ね。Conclusion も just go to mama guys. and just get your roti canai.
まあでも楽しい経験でした。いい経験でした。はい。というわけで今回は以上です。So hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
バイバイ。
決して。
I'm actually using Sunstar Ora. Peach!
Sunstar Ora2 me.
I'm going all pink today.